జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. ఓ రామా, ఐ సర్చ్డ్ ఫర్ సీతమ్మ ఎవ్రీవేర్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ద బ్యాంక్స్ ఆఫ్ గోదావరి. నోవేర్ ఐ కుడ్ సీ సీత. ఓ రామా, ఐ డు నాట్ నో వేర్ ఈజ్ సీత. జనకపుత్రి సీత, ఐ డు నాట్ నో వేర్ ఈజ్ షీ. When Lakshmana said like that, Ramachandra Swami now by himself, Ramaha samabhichakrama swayam Godavarim nadim. He himself is now again gone to Godavari Nadi and asked Godavari, but Godavari did not respond to Rama. Rama started asking all the small animals there. No animal responded to Rama. And nobody is saying that Ravana abducted Sita. Nobody is saying that. When Rama is crying like that, all the animals also started asking Godavari about Sitamma. All the animals also feeling the same pain because Rama is in pain. With that kind of pain, when all the animals asked Godavari, Godavari did not respond to them also. Rama is in such an extreme pain. With that kind of pain, while crying, when Rama asked, Godavari did not say single word. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, Godavari did not respond to Rama because Godavari Nadi got scared from Ravana. Now, Rama is saying to Lakshmana, saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, Esha Godavari Saumya Kinchit na pratibhashate." How many ever times I ask this Godavari Nadi. This Godavari is not responding to me, not telling me about anything about Sita. Oh Lakshmana, if I go back, what can I say to Janaka Maharaju? When Janaka Maharaju asks me, where is my daughter Sita? What can I say to him? Oh Lakshmana, when I go back, my mother Kausalya Devi asks, where is my Sita? Then how can I respond to my mother Lakshmana? Oh Lakshmana, so far how many ever troubles I am going through, how much ever the pain I am going through, I did not feel that because Sita is right next to me. Sita is the one who did not let me feel any kind of grief and pain, even I am going through so many severe troubles. That is what Sita. Oh Lakshmana, if such Sita is not there with me, how can I be alive, Lakshmana? I am sure every moment will be a great trouble to me when Sita is not there with me. Oh Lakshmana, if Sita seen somewhere, it would be really great. If Sita is seen somewhere, if I get to see Sita anywhere, we both will go to Mandakinim Janasthanam Imam Prasravanam Girim. We both will go to Mandakini Nadi. We both will go to other mountains. We will spend very good time together on all these hills and banks of rivers. Oh Lakshmana, look at these, all the animals looking at me repeatedly. Again and again, all these animals looking at me. I think these animals wanted to tell me something. Like that, Rama is speaking to Lakshmana, looking at the animals. Rama's eyes are filled up with tears, and with that filled up tears, Rama is now asking all the animals, "Oh my dear animals, Kvasita, where is my Sita? Where is my Sita?" Like that, Rama, when he asked all the animals, those animals immediately looking at Rama and looking at the sky, because Ravana took Sita in the same path in the sky. Those animals were looking at the sky and running towards south side. While running towards south, those animals again and again looking at Rama, telling him that this is the path, Sita is taken away. That kind of act of those animals was noticed by Lakshmana. He observed it while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.